Hi builders. So in today's video, I'm going to show you or walk you through how I built this testimonial section for my personal React portfolio website. I built this testimonial section in under 6 minutes, from finding inspirations online to translating the design into React components and to refining the UI with OpenAI and GitHub Copilot. Everything was done live. And if you struggle to find or to work around with designs, this video is for you. It's going to show you how I, instantly change some UI components I found online and to make it custom made so that I can implement it in my design. And using this workflow, you can go ahead to transform your whole website to a basic or a beginner website to more pro and advanced website. Let me go to the live website. You can see there is no portfolio section here. Okay, this is just the YouTube section. This is my project. And when you see the development or the local version, there is portfolio or testimonial section built just on top of the YouTube section. So we are going to walk you through how we do this, and I'm going to show you my entire workflow. So basically, before I start working, I start off by creating a folder in ChatGPT. So you can go ahead, create your folder. And the reason why I create this folder is to break down my charts histories. So I use one chart history for image creation, and I'm going to use the other chart history for brainstorming, basically, so that I can be able to break down my task and I'm not going to overwhelm the AI. So what I did was to screenshot my website. I gave it a full screenshot initially and also gave it a full screenshot of my components. So let me go to the component section. You can see these are my components. So I gave AI this. Okay, and in order for it to suggest where I'm going to put my testimonial section, and it suggested that I should put it on top of the YouTube or the work section. So that is what we agreed on. And I went ahead to create another chart. And this chart is where I design my files. So I was going to design my testimonial section. And I started off picking inspirations from 21st.dev. I got some nice inspirations, but they are just fancy. It's hard to read these kind of things. So I tested again using them. I also found this inspiration that I was really liking, but I wanted to keep it simple because of my design and because it's a professional page, not just for aesthetics. So I developed an idea that works with my card, because my website is full of bento grades. So that idea also I got from Dribble. So I went on to Dribble and looked at this design. I really liked it, but I found out that they are too crowded. There's no real hierarchy. Everything is looking at you at once. So I also added my taste or touch to it, and I also wrote a prompt. Rate this style. Okay, I got another style like this, so I was going to use this and I'm going to transform this into my own version. So I gave AI the reference image and I also gave how I want my let's say my headers to go, because I didn't want images, so I wanted to create a unique style for it. And I gave it instructions to create a prompt. So it gave me the prompt and the prompt generated this image. So basically this was the image I was going to use to build my UI. Let's say if I'm designing with Figma, this is my Figma design. But obviously I had to do a lot to change some things in it. It was too fancy. I didn't want that. It's a trust section, so it should look professional and premium. So after I got my design, I came back to the brain, the architect itself, and I started off by creating my testimonial components. So I added testimonial components here and I added testimonial GSS files and CSS files. and AI went on to write code for me. So he gave me a clean code to input in my testimonial sections. I did that, and it didn't turn out as I wanted, so I had to rewrite the prompt again. I was finding it difficult because this project is an old project. So ChatGPT doesn't know what it's about. It doesn't know the spacing, it doesn't know the layout. So I had to bring the job, to my agents, contract the job to my agents, GitHub Copilot, and I told him, this is what I'm trying to build, and these are my files. So I made OpenAI write prompts based on whatever we've discussed so far, and we use the prompt to build the new hero or new testimonial section that you are seeing on my website. So finally, after everything, this is what we got. So we started off with mere inspirations. We started off with mere inspirations, right? And we refined the inspirations to get our personal, beautiful testimonial session card, which works well with our website